Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is gonna be a fun video where I have created few of my favorite spring outfits which is inspired by Bollywood celebrities, and the fun part is I have created all these outfits from my recent shopping in Sarojini Nagar Market, Delhi. So in other way, this is a haul video also of my Sarojini Market shopping. So if you want to see the latest summer collections of this market, then you can check out that video and I'll leave the link in description box. So in this video, I am going to share each and every details of how I created these outfits and from which shop I bought those. Without further ado, let's get started. So the first I wanted a brown color trouser to create this outfit and a basic white t-shirt. Basically this is not brown color trouser, this is kind of mustard color. Unfortunately मुझे brown color का trouser मिल नहीं रहा था मार्केट में. मैंने देखा जो मिल रहा था उसका स्टाइल थोड़ा different था, तो I thought this was going well with the outfit which I had in my mind. So here is the final look of this outfit and I completely love this look, guys. This is super simple, super comfortable and looks very stylish. I think you can carry this outfit as a formal wear in office or in any casual meetings also. Honestly, stuff and quality also of these two clothes are really good. Okay, so this is the outfit which I tried to create from this. And trust me, no one can guess the cost of this outfit, isn't it? So this is the shop जहाँ से मैंने अपनी ये trouser खरीदी थी, and they have like lot of varieties of trousers, each and every color they have available. You can see हर एक color and sizes के trousers आपको यहाँ पे मिलेंगे. I have bought so many trousers from this shop and honestly the quality is superb. कुछ दिन पहले मैंने एक शॉर्ट्स वीडियो भी अपलोड किया था जहाँ पे मैंने अपने ट्राउज़र की कलेक्शन दिखाए थे. सो आप वहाँ पे देख सकते हो कि कौन कौन से ट्राउज़र्स मोस्टली मैंने यहाँ से खरीदे हैं. And the top which I am wearing in my outfit, I bought from this particular stall, and here you'll find a lot of color options in that. So these have a stretchable material and it looks super good with any kind of high waist trousers or jeans. So both these shops of trousers and tops are in front of each other in this lane, so you can just mix and match and buy as per your choice from these shops. Okay, let's move on to the next one. So this is kind of a dress or shrug कह लो या कुछ भी कह लो आप. Such style of dresses are really versatile. You can style these in lot of ways. तो इस ड्रेस के ऊपर ऐसे बटन्स लगे होते हैं, तो मैंने इसको क्लोज करा हुआ है अपने इस आउटफिट के लिए. तो आप इसको ओपन कर सकते हो, तो ये श्रग का काम करेगा, और यू कैन जस्ट वेयर अ लेगिंग और जीन्स बिलो. सो आई एम गोइंग टू पेयर दिस अप विद जीन्स, शॉर्ट्स एंड व्हाइट स्नीकर्स. Alright, so this is the final outfit which I created from these. This one is also looking very stylish and cute, I think, and this is the perfect outfit for the spring or summer. And also I think if you're going on your vacation on any beach places, then this outfit would be perfect. It's giving very summery vibes and I really like the color and print of this dress. So you can also wear any kind of top on this shorts and carry this dress as a shrug. So I have one more of a similar kind of dress and मैंने उसको shrug की तरह style करके पहना था अपनी एक recent vacation पे. So this is the outfit which I wanted to create with these two and I absolutely loved it. So this is the stall from where I bought this beautiful shrug, and they have also like a lot of options available in such kind of dresses. They all have beautiful prints and these are actually giving summery vibes because of these floral prints. So it's perfect for the spring and summer season. And this is the stall जहाँ से मैंने अपने shorts खरीदे थे, and they have also a lot of varieties of shorts available. They are mostly high waisted and looks very trendy and stylish. Alright, so let's move on to my third outfit. For this I wanted a blue colored high-rise culottes and a mustard colored top. I think these two color combination of blue and mustard goes well with any kind of attire. Alright, so this is the look which I was trying to create with these two. This one also is super comfortable and I think you can carry this outfit as a formal or casual wear both. Honestly, I really love the stuff of the outfits which I bought from this market. They all have very light and soft fabric and very good for summers and spring. So this was the look I was trying to create with these two. तो ये ट्राउज़र मैंने पहले वाली शॉप से ही ख़रीदा था जो मैंने दिखाया था अभी, और टॉप मैंने यहाँ से ख़रीदा था. एंड दे ऑल्सो हैव लॉट ऑफ वैराइटीज़ अवेलेबल इन सच काइंड ऑफ टॉप्स. Okay, moving on to the next one. Let's see how it goes. Going pretty well. So for this outfit, I wanted a layered top Actually, I was looking for maroon color of top, but this is the only color of top I could get, which I thought might go pretty well with the outfit I'm looking for. And I'll be pairing this up with this black skirt. So here is the look of the outfit, and I think it's kind of party wear also, and you can also wear it casually. Both colors going well with each other. The skirt is stretchable, so it's giving very good fit, and the top material is light cotton, so it's super comfortable again. So this is the look which I was trying to create with this one. Okay, now so this is the shop from where I bought my layered top, and they have like such beautiful collection available in layered top and shrugs. And this is the shop from where I bought my black skirt, and they have a lot of colors available in skirts and a lot of patterns also. So let's move on to my next one. For this I wanted mid-rise jeans and plain white t-shirt. This is gonna be a very basic outfit, but this is my all-time favorite one. And trust me guys, the quality of these two is just outstanding. So this is how it looks, and I just side knotted this t-shirt a bit. Few months back I also shared a video where I showed how you can tie simple basic white t-shirt in so many ways to look more stylish. So jeans and white t-shirt has always been my go-to outfit whenever I'm traveling or flying. It looks just simple yet very classy. So this is the Deepika Padukone look which I was trying to create with this one. So this is the shop from where I bought my jeans, and there are a lot of jeans you'll find in such kind of stalls where branded tags are attached. So this is the stall from where I got my Forever 21 jeans. एंड दिस द शॉप जहाँ से मैंने अपनी टी शर्ट खरीदी है, और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हो ज़ारा का टैग लगा हुआ है। इनकी शॉप पे आपको ब्रांडेड टैग्स वाले बहुत सारे टी शर्ट्स मिलेंगे, बहुत सारे कलर्स और हर साइजेस में मिलेंगे। लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट वन। फॉर माई नेक्स्ट आउटफिट आई वॉन्टेड अ बेबी पिंक कलर kurta. I wanted to create a monochrome look, so I wanted to buy same baby pink color of palazzo and dupatta. And I was so lucky to get both palazzo and kurta in same color. This is exactly similar, very similar kind of print I was looking for, and I'll show you in a bit what celebrity outfit inspired me most to create this outfit. And dupatta I did not buy from the market. I had this color of dupatta with me before, so I thought it will work well with this outfit, so I did not buy any from the market. Alright, so let's see how it looks. So here is the final look of this outfit, and I just fell in love with this one, guys. It looks so pretty after wearing. Pure cotton fabric of this suit, the color and overall style is making it a perfect outfit for this spring and summer. I really love this overall look, and color is just pretty to the eyes. So from this I managed to capture pretty Sara Ali Khan look, and surprisingly it's looking very much similar, isn't it? So this is the stall in front of Just Lady shop in the market, जहाँ से मैंने अपनी ये कुर्ती खरीदी थी, और यहाँ पे आपको बहुत ही प्यारे प्यारे सोबर से कलर के कुर्तीज़ मिल जाएंगे और प्लाजो भी मिल जाएंगे। 200 रुपीज़ ईच का प्राइस होता है इनका। Okay, so moving on to my next one. For this outfit I also wanted a baby pink color of top. This is very beautiful baby pink color net stuff top, और इसके अंदर सेम कलर का इनर वेयर भी दिया हुआ है। I wanted to pair this up with the white color skirt. I think these two color combinations go really well with each other, and perfect color for spring and summers. So yeah, this one also I managed to get in the exact same color and design which I was looking for to create this outfit. Looks beautiful, isn't it? I really love this one too. It just looked so pretty and cute. It would be a perfect outfit for your vacation also, and the stuff and quality is as usual top notch. So with this I managed to get beautiful Kiara's outfit look, and it's also looking pretty much similar, isn't it? So this is the shop जहाँ से मैंने अपनी नेट वाली टॉप खरीदी थी, और यहाँ पे आपको नेट स्टफ वाले बहुत सारे टॉप मिलेंगे, ड्रेसेस मिलेंगे. You'll find all these tops between 200 and 350 rupees of range. I highly recommend this shop. ये वाली शॉप मैं हमेशा विजिट करती हूँ जब भी मैं जाती हूँ इस मार्केट में, क्योंकि यहाँ पे हमेशा एक नए ट्रेंडी और स्टाइलिश कलेक्शंस मिलते हैं. So moving on to my next and last outfit. This is the one-piece casual outfit look. So this is stretchable and body-hugging dress, and I'm going to wear this with simple bellies. So this is how it looks, and it's very beautiful and cute casual wear, which is also perfect for your vacation. Stuff is also very light to the skin and gives excellent fitting. So finally, this is a Jacqueline Fernandez look, which I was trying to create with this one. So this is the shop from where I bought my dress, and here you'll find a lot of color options in the similar dress. Other than that, you'll find a lot of varieties of top and dresses here. And you can find all these between 200 and 350 rupees of range. So for more details of these shops along with other shops which are selling trendy stuffs in this market, you can visit my previously uploaded videos, and I'll mention the link of those in my description box below. So that's all for my today's video. I really enjoyed making this video for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below which outfit you like the most. And if you liked watching this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.